Hey, this is Richard with FoxAironHeat.com. Here's another one of our 16 SEER Amana. This is a lifetime replacement unit. It's a higher SEER rating than the base numbers that you can get. But if you get it through Amana or you get it through us, we'll do the installation properly. We need to wrap this with insulation. We got to charge this unit. It's raining out, it got real cold out. But we're wrapping this install up. We got a lifetime warranty furnace inside. This is the way to do it right. It's replacing an old train. It was like a 30-year-old train unit in there. So we got them upgraded with that. So working in the rain, it's in the cold. We'll get you up and running as fast as we can. We got a new concrete pad underneath there that's going to be a little bit higher. The other units are sunk down inside. They're down in the grass and they were collected a bunch of leaves and stuff in there. So that'll be a nice setup there. So it's Richard with FoxAironHeat.com. Let us know if we can help you. If a compressor dies in this unit, they're going to give you a whole brand new unit. So that's lifetime. So give us a holler. It's Richard with FoxAironHeat.com. Let us know if we can help you. Thanks for watching.